Time to throw some meat on this grill and show you how this thing really cooks. One thing that's really nice about the Forge 15 is that, as we will be using today, we're able to run a much warmer temp on one side than the other when needed. We're getting this started ahead of time just so we can finish it around the same time as our asparagus. Shooting for about a strong medium today. One thing that's nice about the tri-tip cut is you can kind of make everyone happy, I've found, with it. Obviously, from the way that it's shaped, you can shoot for medium, still have some medium rare to rare in it, along with a little bit of medium well. That's how I was roughly taught for cooking meat. When you poke meat, okay, this is raw, okay? And you can test this, raw, rare, medium, well done. Getting a nice char here. We have marinated in some black peppercorn and Szechuan pepper marinade we put together at the shop. Should come out nice and spicy. We're gonna have the spice balancing out with the asparagus we've been marinating for the last couple of hours. Tri-tip's just about there. We're gonna pull that in just a few minutes here, let it rest. Always let your meat rest after you've cooked it to completion. It's like brisket, tri-tip, I mean, a lot of different cuts. If you were to cut with the grain, you're gonna have just like kind of a chewy mess. That's why we go against. If you can see the grain texture here, tri-tip especially, your grain's gonna change from left to right, and no two of them are alike. So with this one, we're gonna work our way through, starting about this angle, working our way to my left. Now that we're all done cooking, asparagus is ready. Tri-tip turned out just right. It's time to enjoy our meal and then get all packed away.